Alright, guys. Okay, so finally I'm live. So now let's go ahead and move on over to Autodesk Sketchbook, which for some reason is not open. Great app, by the way. Okay, so now in Sketchbook, we're going to be looking at problem 19 from the AMC 8 of the year 2000. Okay, am I still alive? Okay, anyone alive? Am I alive? Am I live? Please tell me. Am I live? Okay, I'm live. I'm just gonna go with the fact that I'm live. Okay, so now that we have reached Autodesk Sketchbook, so here we're looking at the problem 19 from the AMC 8. I'm so done with life. From the AMC 8 of the year 2000. 2000, I'm telling you. Okay. So, now let's go ahead and read the problem. So, three circular arcs with the radius 5 are in this region shown, basically. So, arcs A, B, and AD, so that's A, B, and AD are quarter circles, and BCD, which is obvious, is right here, is a semicircle. Okay, what is the area in square units of the region? So let's find the area in square units of the region. Okay, so basically, to start off, what I like about AMC 8s, or just AMCs in general, is that they give you multiple choice, which is just amazing. So, yeah, shout out to AMC 8. I don't think I'm eligible to do that, actually. So, never mind. Alright. So, let's go ahead and split our zones up. So, down here, we have two semicircles, and up here, two quarter circles, and up here we have a semicircle. So let's find the area. So what do we need to find the area of is the first question we should be asking. So what we do need to find the area of is semicircle BCD and this odd shape of BAD. So basically, to find the area of these places, let's first bucket these in. So that's what we're trying to find. And these are kind of like holes. So now, to help us find the area, we know that the radius of all these circles is 5. Okay? Now that's going to come in really handy. So first of all, let's just go ahead and find the area of this semicircle. So what's the area of a semicircle? Well, obviously it's the area of a normal circle over 2. So let's go ahead and find the area of our semicircle. So it's going to be pi times 5 squared over 2. And then that becomes into pi times 25 over 2, which all becomes 12.5 pi. Now, our 12.5 pi is the area up here. So let's go ahead and write semi equals 12.5 pi. Now, a lot of you at home must be thinking that we should calculate the 12.5 times pi, but let's not get into that yet. We can do that at the end. Alright, so now let's find the area of this odd shape. I think I don't know what that is actually. Alright, so let's make this simple for us. So let's turn this thing into a rectangle. So we know that this right here is going to be 5 because the radius is 5. And this is also a radius. So that's going to be 5 right there. This is also going to be 5 for obvious reasons. It's a rectangle, you guys. Okay. And then to find this top / bottom, basically, to find BD, we know that the radius of this semicircle is also 5, which means this way it's 5, and this way it's also going to be 5, causing the bottom and the top to basically be 10. So now let's find the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is just length times width. You guys should know this. So 10 times 5 equals 50. So that's just great. So once we have 50, it's a nice number. And if we look at our multiple choice, it seems like everything looks like it's some kind of a multiple or like as something related with 50, which is nice to know. So now let's find the area of these quarter circles. And since there's 2 quarter circles, it's going to be equal to 1 semicircle. So, and since these have the same radius as this semicircle, they're going to have the same area. So we don't have to do the math. We can save ourselves some time. And basically, we know that the area of these 2 semicircles together is going to be 12.5 pi. And then this area that we were trying to find is just going to be 50 minus 12.5. So we're going to write shape, because I don't know what it is, equals 50 minus 12.5 pi. Now let's add this all together. So 12.5 pi plus 50 minus 12.5 pi equals, well, let's see. So since it's actually very helpful that we didn't multiply out pi, because now we wouldn't have to worry about what we were going to round to, since we have 12.5 basically minus 12.5 pi. So now we can cancel these 2 out and we get 50. So our answer is going to be C for problem 19. The answer is C. And there you go. So AMC 8 2000 and problem 19. Oh, that didn't work very well. Alright. Anyways, so the place, just a quick shout out to the place we got this problem from, AOPS. It's a great website. They have online stuff and too. So if you liked what we did here, please subscribe. Notice that we did this all in basically red, kind of a YouTube color, you guys. So yeah, subscribe, comment any questions you have, or you can comment down an AMC 8 problem or 10 or 12 problem that you didn't understand, and we can try and help you guys out with that. Cool. Yeah, I don't know why I said subscribe. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can just search our channel. And then, yeah, so just comment if you have any questions. Can help you out with those. And cool, thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time. That's the end of my live stream. Cool.